Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain the best software for online teaching. See here, this is Note 3, and first of all you see this is Note 3. It is installing in the computers. After that I will show you that this is one of the best software for online teaching. Now you see this is loaded, and we have already installed this Note 3 in my computer, and you see this is the interface we'll get after loading it. You see here. Now I will show you what are the various features in this software. It is one of the best software we know, right? Now what are the various features? First of all, you can change the different mode, right? Now see what is given in this, what are the different features in this software. You can see here that you can change the pen. Here you see this is the different types of pen you can use, this one or this one or this one as you wish, right? Now you see this is the pen, and you can change the different pen here, this one or this one as you wish. And you can change the color also. Suppose you want to change the color of pen in here, you see here the color is changed, right? Here you see, right? Or you can change in another color, suppose yellow. You see here this is yellow in color, right? You can change many different colors also, right? Here you see we are changing the color to this one, and you see here we can write in this way, right? Now I can see that what are the different features in this software. This is one of the best software we use, or many of the YouTubers use this software, right? Here you see what you can use. First of all, we can change the different pencils, right? We can change, or we can change the color also. We can change it to white, and you see we can write it in white color. You see here this is white in color, right? Or we can change here, this is the eraser. We can erase as you wish. Here you see this is our eraser. You can see here this is eraser, and we can erase any of these writings, right? That means we can write, we can erase with this one, right? Here you see these are, we taken an eraser, and you see if you want to erase this one, you can erase it very easily, right? And here you see this is a picture, right? This is a symbol of picture, right? We can insert picture, any type of pictures in this software. Suppose you want a triangle, you clicked it here, and you see we got a triangle. You can insert, or you can delete this also in this way, right? There are various methods to insert any picture. Suppose you want to draw a line, you go to here and you get a line here, right? Or you can do many things here also. Later I am explaining, right? First you see how to insert pictures of different methods. Suppose this is circle, you want a circle, you got a circle here, right? In this way you can take any figures as you wish, right? These are the, you can see what are these. This is delete button, this is, you can change the color also. There are many features here also, right? Besides that, here roaming, you can roam here. Suppose you want to put this picture here or here or here, that is roaming. You can roam it anywhere as you like. Suppose you want to roam this line, take it here and change it whether or according on your space, right? And this is the text box, right? This is the text box. You can write anything here. This is the text box. You can write anything, and you can also modify your writing or text. Here see you have written the text, write anything. Suppose I am writing elephant, right? And you can make it select this one. I can make it bold also, or you can make it italic, or you can make an underline, give an underline here. And this is what is called the background. This is the various colors. You can change white or this color or red color as you wish, right? And this is changing into green background. This is the background. We change in the background into white, right? This is the background as you wish, right? And this is the left aligned, this is center aligned, and this is left aligned, and this is the format paint. You can change it in format paint, and this is the hyperlink, right? We can use this also in pro method, pro mode, right? And this is what we call it as preview. You can see the preview of this one, right? And animations also, you can add animations also, right? Here you see these are the different colors you can use here, this one or this one or this one, this one, different designs you can use also, right? And you can delete this one also. In this way you can write many text here, and this is undo. Here you can undo here. Okay, this is do, again we are getting, and this is undo. You see, this is undo, this is front, right? This is the first slide. Suppose you want to the second slide, that is you get a plus sign, tap it here, you get a new slide here. Number 2, number 3 slide, number 4, number 5, as many slides as you want, right? You want to get the previous, go to there, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here see, we have got this one slide. You see 2, 3, 4, 5, you can increase this one. This is the features of this software, right? Now what is this one? This one is select. If for selection we got this arrow. Now here you can see that for these are some of the different, and this is the desktop mode. If you want to go to desktop mode, click here and you see that we have got in desktop mode. Here also you can write on the desktop also. You see here you can write here on the desktop, right? And you can go to this desktop and you can write. Here you see we can go to desktop, and here also you can explain or write something. You can erase it also with this pen, right? Or there are other features also. You can, this is our treasure box. You go to treasure box, and this is our mouse clicking. We can change it, the mouse, right? This is now, it is a mouse now. Now we're again going to the normal section. This is the normal section of this one, right? Now here you see this is the treasure box. This is, I've already told you, this is desktop, and this is what we call it as menu. In menu you can see that is this file. One is import, export, print, settings, help, mode and exit. You can go to exit and you will be exited from this software. You go to mode, and then here you can see that there are 3 modes. One is teaching mode, one is preparation mode, and one is desktop mode, right? You go to teaching mode. Here you see this is the teaching mode. You can write anything on this board or anything as you wish. Suppose you go to here and you can write anything with this color, right? Here you see we can write anything on this teaching mode, right? Or you can go going to normal mode, and here you can see that we go to mode, that is one is teaching mode. You go to preparation mode. Here you see this is the preparation mode, right? And next one is, there is another mode, and this is what we call it as, this is mode, and this is desktop mode. I already told you this is the desktop mode. These are different modes we can use here, right? Now we are again going to normal mode, right? Now here in this menu you can go to file, you go to import, you can go to export, then print, settings, help, mode and exit also. If you want to new file, go to new file or open file or save file and save as file. This is the file mode, new file, right? You see the current file is not saved. Do you want to save it? No, right? No. Now again we go to file, the new file. Now open. If you want to open any file, go to open, and you can open any file as you like. Suppose we go to desktop site or document site and open. Let us take any of this file name. You have to put the file name here, suppose this one, and open. Note file, you go to here and put it as note file and open. You can file open. You see here we have opened a file. It's written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? In this way you can do anything that is for you. Open file, you can save this file also and change the name also as save as. You can import a file also. So import, go to import, right? These are there various methods. From clipboard you can import, from general materials, and this is from file, this is from text mode. From file also you can import and go to file, and you can import anything as you like. Suppose you want to import this one, right, and write it as import. Right here you can see that we are importing this one. You can see this is, I have imported this one from there, right? You can see this one. You can import as you like. There are many slides you can see here. I can import this one also, right? Import any file as which is given in your, which is present in your computer, right? Then we're getting this one and go back, right? But going back, import, and this is the export. You can export any type of, this is image, this is word, this is ppt, and this is pdf. That is right. This is image. You can write, you can go to image also, and you can do the from control panel cycle bin as you please. Suppose go to library, right, or documents, or my documents. You can my documents, you go for okay, and you see in my documents you are going, this is processing. There are many pages, 10 pages are there, right? In this way you can take export or print or setting, help, mode, and exit also, right? And there are various other method. There is others also, treasure box. This is very important for us. This is treasure box. In treasure box we go to subject, right? We go to subject and you can change the background in solid color. This is background. You can change the background to white, you can change the background to black, you can change the background to green, deep green. You can change this one, right, or this one, or this one, or anything as you like. Or also you can change in discipline background or teaching background or customize also, right? This is the discipline background. Now if you go to discipline tool, these are the chemistry, this is physics, this is math, and this is English. Suppose you go to math, right? This is a math mode. You can find recognize numeric formula. You can get this one also, or draw function. You get here, you can write anything here. You can get them math here, right? Let us take or try to writing here. That is suppose we are writing here, that is root 9. You see we are writing here. Root 9 is equal to 3, right? And we can write here also as root 81, and that is equal to 9, right? In this way you can write, or you can erase also, whatever you like, right? In this way you can take math, physics, or you can take the compass also, right? Let us see here. You can take the compass. First taking a new file, go to menu and take a new file, new, and is not saved, no, right? Now you see here, if you want to take, go to treasure box and go to subject. You can, I already told you that these are the different modes of the this board. You can change these pages as accordingly, right? And here you see this is the discipline mode. This is for chemistry. In chemistry you can see these are the various features of chemistry: atomic structure, periodic table, beaker, conical flask, glass, gas collecting vessel, sink, test tube, U-tube, flask, distillation flask, acid burette, funnel, spherical funnel, and tripod, right? These are the different chemistry subject. And you can go to physics also, subject, discipline tool, go to a fixed discipline, and you see here this is ammeter, right? This is light bulb, this is power supply, this is power switch, this is voltage meter, this is slide rheostat, and this is resultant force, right? In this way you can go to any discipline and can find the various things. You can go to English, you see 4 grid where is there. You can write here the English alphabets also, right? And in chemistry portion you can go there. In chemistry portion you can see there are various things. The atomic structure is there, periodic table of elements. You can see if we click it here, you see you can get the periodic table, right? This is the beaker, periodic table, cross it. This is periodic table of the elements, and if this is our beaker, right, this is conical flask, you delete this one so that we can get another thing, and delete this one again, delete it here. There are, we have taken many conical flask at a time, so you can delete all the conical flask also, right? And delete it. You want to save it? No, right? And now again we are going to this note and find that this note 3 is very one of the best software for us, and you can get various facilities also. Again we are installing this note 3 and you can see it is processing and it comes to us in a few seconds. Now here you see that there are others also features. In this way you can import any file, import any image, import any video from your computer, and you can show it to your students very easily, right? Here you see we are importing this note 3. It is up to 95%, and let's wait for some time to be installed. Now you see it is 100% loaded, and we can see the note 3 software, and you can see there are many facilities in this software. You can use it, this software, in pro method, either in free method, or also you can use the pro method also. That means you have to give money for that, right? Here you see now we are seeing this one. Now we go to treasure box, right? This is one of the most important features, this treasure box, right? Here you see if you want to a whiteboard, this is the subject I already told you. So discipline background, this is teaching background. You can teach any of the background, in any of the background. This is teaching background. You can use, you can write whatever you like with this board, right? Suppose you want to write something with this color, right? Now you see we can write this color very easily, right? Here you can say you can write any color, that is hello. Hello, how are you? See, it is very, you can write it very easily, right? In this way you can write, or you can choose the different discipline of, this is teaching background. You can use any of the teaching background as you can use the black also. In black you can write it, repeat white color, then it will be very clear to you. You see here we are using the white color, and you can write anything on the blackboard also. You see here if you write here that hello, welcome to our channel, hello, welcome to our channel. You see white color is very effective here. Welcome to our channel, to our channel. You can see here that this is very effective in writing, and this is one of the best software to make any type of online classes, right? Again we are going to the same features, going to normal mode, go to treasure box. This is the subject, this is the discipline, right? Chemistry, physics, maths, English, we have told you. This is the various tools you can use here. That is browser tool, one is writing board, one is clock, one is calendar, magnifier, mask, and spotlight, timer, object, booth, and you can use also screenshot and also thinking axis. So go to browser. If you can go to browser also, suppose you are going to browser, and you can browse anything as you like. Suppose you want to know about some computers, right? Write it here as computer. Now go to here, computer. We are browsing this one, and you can go to Google recommends using Chrome, built for Windows. Usually search for don't switch, and get enter, and you can see the various types of searches in computer and Google in this address. You see here, you have to sign in, or you can get also from this browser. You see, it is a computer. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations. Computations. Modern digital electronic computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. Right? You can go to images, books like this. This is the program of browser. Right? Then we are again coming to back and go to treasure box. And here you see this is writing board. You can write anything on this board. This is our writing board. You can pull it here. Writing board. A writing board, you can use any color and you can write anything as you wish. This is our writing board. You can write anything on this board also. Hello. Hello. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. In this way you can change the different writing method, and you can delete this also as you wish. You can delete this one, right? Or you can use the different colors also. You can use the red color or whatever you and this is for saving, right? If you want to save this one, you can save it with file name, right? Now I am closing this one, that I'm getting the we are getting back to same, right? Now here you see again we are going to treasure box. You're writing about this is clock. You can use the clock also as timer. You can see this is our clock. You see this is a clock, and it is we can give a question and timer for that. That way it is for 1 minute or 2 minutes as you wish, right? And this is our timer, right? Got it? And again we are going to treasure box. You see this is the clock and this is the calendar. You can see the date. Today is 19th and this is Friday 2024 07. This is our calendar, right? You can use the calendar also. Now you see that other things also in this treasure box. This is calendar, this is magnifier. If you want to magnify something, we can use here. Suppose you want to magnify this writing here, you see we are magnifying this one, well, this one channel, right? We can magnify it. You are, how are you, right? Whatever you want to magnify, you go here and you can magnify everything as you wish. You can write, you can magnify the letters also, you see here, right? In this way you can magnify whatever you like. This is one of the best software, right? And this is mask. What is this mask? Is nothing but you can mask anything as you wish. Suppose you want to give a question, and suppose we are writing a question here. The question is suppose I'm writing a question here that what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? And you have suppose 4 options. You can write the answer here, right? Suppose the answer is, you can drop down this one. There are 4 options. Suppose so option is A, option is B, option C, and option D. Right? Then if you want to mark the answer, then you have to check the mask here, and you cannot see the answer. There are 4 options. What is the name of your school? A, B, or C, or D. You can mark the answer, and whenever you ask the question, the students' responses, after that you go there and show the answer. There are 4 options, and whatever the answer is right, you can explain them also. And this is the various tools here, right? In this way you can use your mask, right? Now go to treasure box again, and you can see here, okay, if we cross it, if you want to mask this one, go there, and you see you can mask this one also, right? If you want to mask whatever you like, suppose you want to mask this one, go here and it will be masked, right? In this way you can mask whatever you like, right? Now go to treasure box again, go to treasure box, normal mode, go to treasure box, and you can use the spotlight also. If you want to use this spotlight, you can go there and find the spotlight as again. You see here, this is the spotlight, right? You see, this is the spotlight in square way or circle way, right? And this is our spotlight. Back, suppose you want to spotlight this here, go here and go to treasure box, and we will spotlight here. You see here, you spotlight light this one. It is in square mode or it is in circular mode, right? In this way you can use this treasure box very easily. And go to screenshot. If you want to take this screenshot, go screenshot, and you can take a screenshot the full or this one or as you wish. Suppose you want to full take this screenshot full, then go there and take it. Here you see we have taken this screenshot here, right? Or you can take a part of it also, right? Let us see how you are getting this screenshot. Take a part of this one. Suppose you want to take this part only, right? Click it here and you see we have taken a part of this one, right? You want to particular area, then give this one and you select this one and you will get a part of it to select this one, right? Here you see we have taken this channel only, right? In this way you can take the screenshot also, right? And this is in this way you can take all the screenshots here, right? Now I'm again going to treasure box, and this is the thinking axis. If you go to thinking axis, you'll see there are many axes you will get. Click to add modes now. In this way we can take, I am explaining, do you want to save? No, we are not saving here. Then again we are getting to this one, getting again going to normal mode. We are again installing this one, and I will show the other parts also in this way, right? Here you see there are other features also, and you can import any file or presentation or whatever you like, right? In this way you can teach in on your online line. This is one of the best software, and if you go to the pro mode, that is if you want to give money for that, then there are other advantages also we can take, right? Now see, I will show you the other features also of this software, and it is one of the best software for online teaching, right? Now here see there are other things also. There are various other features also in this software. Now we are going to the treasure box, and you see there are other features also. Going to treasure box, and you see here also that we have got timer, and now the last one is the thinking axis. Here you see click add new modes. This is the thinking axis. You can change the axis here as you wish, right? And this is the thinking axis you can use also in this treasure box. And now see there are different features. There is browser, that is writing board, clock, calendar, magnifier, mask, spotlight, timer, object booth, screenshot, and thinking axis, right? Now you go to discipline method. This is the discipline, this is the subject, and this is the tools. Now you see there are different tools here. We already shown. If you want more resources, go to more resources, and you see there are many resources here, and there are various files added here. You go to this file and you go to this file, and you see here this is a file, and you can see here you go there and you can teach in this file also, right? Let us see where it is. This is Microsoft Word only. You see here this is the closure and attraction. This is for integers, and right, and if you want go back, then let us close it and you go to back again, right? Now this is if you want to go there, this is case study, this is GK animation, this is here class 7 with introduction. I am going to this here, right? And you see here these are some of the presentation we have made. As you can see here, this is the introduction to natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers and number line, absolute value, like that, right? And again we are closing this one. If you want to go there, or these are the, or turn your passion into profit, right? Here you see that turn your passion into profit. There is another file here. You see learn how to earn money from YouTube with Udemy, right? Or there are various files you can see here. Or if you want to add something, go plus sign and go to your documents, and you go there anywhere as you like. And suppose you want to go to note and custom background, or you can go to C drive and take any files. Suppose go to user, then you go to India, and this is my documents, and this is what we call it as Percept. This is a Percept screen recorder. There are various videos here. You can take the videos also. Suppose you want to take this video, so this one you will click it and open, and you see there will be a video added in this treasure box. You see this video. Now if you want to play this video, you click it here and you see the video will be played in this software, right? But it will take some time, right? Here you see we have added this video and you can see the video is running, right? If you give a sound, you can see here the sound also. Now you can anything as you like, right? In this treasure box you will getting all these resources, right? In this way you can take, do whatever you like, or you can go to next slide, next slide, next slide. These are the various features of treasure box. This is the desktop. You want to go to desktop, here you can also here explain anything as you like. Suppose you want to go there in computers mode, right? In computer, and you go anywhere as you like. Suppose you want to go on desktop mode, desktop, and you can explain it here with your pencil. Here you can see in this way, in this way, in this way, right? In desktop mode also you can explain, right? Now go to normal mode and you can add anything as you like on this from more resources. This is the magic of treasure box. And you see here, if you go there, this is the our resource library. This is resource library. This is system. This is my resource. This is my favorite. This is desktop, C drive, and D drive. You can take anything from your drive. Suppose you want to go from C drive, you can go to users, right? You can go to India, and you can take any downloads from here or documents. Suppose you want to take any document from here, go there, and my computers, this is the list resource, right? In this way you can go anywhere as you like. I'm going to user, then you're going to India, then you are going to music, in this way you can go anywhere as you like. And this is what we call it encyclopedia. Go to encyclopedia, right? In encyclopedia you can go to Google or Bing and search anything as you like. Suppose you want to know about computer, go to computer, COMPUTER, and enter it, and you will get the get to know about computers here. You see, you can see many things as you like. There are different images of computer here. This is the encyclopedia, this is the Google. You can go anywhere as you like. You see here, right? In this way you can take or get many resources from here, right? And if you want to close it, and you can close it also, right? Close this one, right? You see, this is my computer. You can go to C drive, D drive, or desktop, or more my favorites, or my resources, or system, right? In this way you can go from one form to another, right? And this is what you call it as settings. And go to export, you can go to export. This is file, new file, open file, save file, and save as file. You can save this file also. Suppose you want to save this file, write it as save as, right? And give the name here, that is new document 1. New document 1. This is new document 1, or 1, or we can write it as 1 new document. This is one of the best software you can use in using your for online teaching, right? In this way you can, or you can search here also, right? This is my computer, C drive. I can go there, D drive or desktop. You can go there, desktop also. You see, these are the screenshot we have already told you, shown you there, right? In this way, right? And again going to this one here. This is our resources. In resources, go to Google and search anything as you like, right? In this way you can use this one. Now you can also change the color of your background in many way. You can see here you can change the background. Here you can go to export, import, print, setting, help, mode I already told you, teaching mode, preparation mode, and desktop mode, right? You go to desktop mode also. Suppose you want to go here and writing something, suppose this one. I am going to file. This is the desktop mode. You can write anything as you like, right? Or again going to normal mode. Now go to here, treasure box. This is our treasure box, and you can go anywhere as you like. Now we are going to file, going to new file. As you know, we are not saving this one, right? Now go to file, and you can import file also, going to new file, right? And you can change the color also, right? If you want to change the color, go to treasure box, go to subject, and back discipline or background in solid color, and you can change the color to deep green, right? And you can write anything here also, right? This is encyclopedia. In this way, this is one of the best software you can use, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.